What's up guys, AK with you this morning. Wanna review gorgeous car. So since not a lot of shop around anymore, unfortunately, we'll do it online. Everything looks like everything going online anyway, so here we go. Logo, side camera for details, and this is top camera. Ooh, a good one. I need one too. There we go. When I'm opening boxes. Yes, so this video from the live channel. So I'm doing installations and long videos, and you can watch a lot of cool stuff. So that's what I'm doing, kind of to keep that box, actually the value of the box, because sometimes if you put like finger here and see, you will see it's like open already. Yeah, some people really know a lot. I know guys, box is important for me, yes. So how they look. Oh, we have a bunch of stuff, man. Here we go. They sold out, of course. It's not really surprise me. Oh, decals. Cool. Okay, now flip it this way. Maybe just adjust the brightness a little bit down. Here we go. It's better. So cool. I never opened, so I'm just doing sort of kind of unboxing. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. In the baggie, some extra stuff. You're welcome to comment on these details, because I'm not sure. Okay. See any specific in the manual how those. No, just the I believe the bigger coil is going like in the middle, something like this, I guess. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, now very easy. It's a lot of small parts. Oh, I can see already good stuff. Oh man. See through those walk paths. Boy, try not to. Yeah, I'll avoid, probably with the turn like that. Yeah, details. Oh man, oh man. Okay, let's get to the other camera. Side camera. Look at this. Look at this. Ah. Oh boy. So good. amazing. Okay, the top is asking me to open. Yeah, and I'm putting it like this way. Should be, I'll say identical, but just don't wanna, like original. Okay. Oh, camera. Talk. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway, so good. Cover them. Great. Let's switch side again. Look at this. A little bit hot, but oh, I see something going on here. No worries. Can fix. Yeah. The dip of CA. Look at this. Unbelievable. Yeah, no problem. Oh, be careful. So excited. That's great. Just great. Okay, well, fixing this should be no problem. Just be careful, guys, with detail, those definitely detailed parts. They so tiny. Maybe I'm putting it wrong, maybe not. Anyway, so here we go. Thanks for watching. Supporting business gets great stuff. I think I have Conrail. We'll do in another video. If you guys want to support channel, that's our Patreon page, and I'm putting more installations in this page. Not decided what will be the price, but no, it will be just a reasonable price, I hope. So you can watch the very cut-it video with my suggestions, tips, and information, mostly for installations. All right, for some other stuff. Thanks again, and have a good one. Bye bye.